Percentage score is multiplied by the weight of the component. The product is known as the weighted score. Percentage score times weight of component. Ito, please take note of this percentage. Core subjects, written work, 25%, performance task, 50%, quarterly assessment, 25%. Academic track, all other subjects under academic track, written work, 25%, performance task, 45%, quarterly assessment, 30%. Immersion, research, simulation, exhibit, all other performance under academic track, 35%, for the written work, immersion, 40%, quarterly, 25%. TPL, sports, arts and design, all other subjects were immersion, written work, 20%, performance task, 60%, quarterly assessment, 20%. Ito. Group 1. Group 1, nakikinig kayo. Core subjects. Take note of the core subjects. Written work, 86. Performance task, 82. Quarterly assessment, 72. Compute. Nakuha? Wag akong tanungin again kasi nagkakalimutan ko na sinabi. Academic track. Group 2. Group 2, all other subjects under academic track. Written work, 76. Group 2, nakikinig. 76. Performance task, 70. Quarterly assessment, 90. Group 3 and 4. Group 3 and 4, academic track under work immersion. Written work, 92. Performance task, 72. Quarterly assessment, 80. 5 and 6, TBL. Groups 5 and 6, TBL. Written work, 78. Performance task, 79. Quarterly assessment, 60. Group 1, what's your answer? 80.5. Unit 4.
Transmuted.
Group 2, you have the same answer? 77.5. Group 3, 4, 77.2, 5 and 6. 75. Yun na ba ang ilalagay sa car?
Hindi pa. Transmute.
Transmute.
Sa isang teacher, aga mangyari kasi ito sa inyo, isang teacher, kinumplain ng parent. Usually kasi pag may complain sa teacher, sasama siya ng principal. Kahit wala ka nang alam mo siya mga ano. So may nag-complain, kasama ka talaga. Ano ang complaint ng parent? Kasi ito sa special kasi ito. Competition kasi sila. Kahit ano lang sa points, pagkaawayan talaga nyo. Dapat as teacher nagdana sa mga evidences mo. Kasi